So hi guys, so for this video I'm going to show you around the places that I visit here in Netherlands. So we're going to take a boat from the windmills area to the other side. So you don't, if you hired the tour guide guys, so you don't need to worry because they're the one who will arrange for you for everything. All you need to know is just recognize the flag that they're holding and recognize your tour guide face. So there's two options to come up here. Either from the city center, you can book only up to the windmills area and then they will bring you back to the city center, or the other option is to book windmills and the cheese factory. So we, just because we're here already, so we decided to book the two places so that at least we'll be satisfied for our tour. And you won't really you won't really disappointed the places that you're going to visit, guys. You will see later on how fabulous their place is. Very nice area. So here, all of us here, we're the same bus from the city center. So yeah, so it's a very nice place. I can guarantee you won't disappointed of your package deal. So it's only like 80 euros the time when we went there. So it's not that bad because they are very good to guide you. And yeah, they will arrange the place that you want to visit. So you just listen to your tour guide and follow exactly what he's telling you. So yeah, so we're here now. We get up from the boat now. So as you can see, every houses, they have their own business. They're selling like a souvenirs of their local products. So here we are looking for our spots to sit down so that we can listen to the presenter how to show us how they make their own traditional cheese. So this is by the way guys, this is the famous cheese factory. It's like I recommend this one, and everybody recommend this as well, this cheese factory area. So yeah, you can choose wherever you want to sit down upstairs. You can get the spots upstairs, or we all prepared to sit, most of us prepared to sit down here downstairs to see the presenter exactly what he's talking about. So let's listen to him.
Does not sound like good evening at all. It's a very nice weather. I wish I was free today. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you guys doing? Good. Welcome to the Cheese Factory here in Volendam. My name is Thijs. I'll explain to you how we make our famous Gouda cheese here in our factory. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Hola. ¿Es en inglés? Sí. ¿Es en inglés? Sí, no. Ahora está bien. Mi no hablo español, pero yo aprendo cómo hacer un queso. Soy el cubano. Voy a explicar cómo hacemos este queso, tipo de Gouda, ya lo habéis definido. Alright, so this process of making the cheese, it's very easy. We start with 300 liters of fresh milk over here in the machine, and we heat it up until 30 degrees Celsius. So cada mañana ponemos 300 litros de leche en este contenedor y se calienta hasta 30 grados. This temperature of 30 degrees is very important for this liquid. This liquid is called rennet. Rennet is a natural enzyme we add to the milk to make it curdle, so it becomes thick like pudding in the machine. So la temperatura de 30 grados es muy importante para este líquido llamado cuajo es una enzima natural para cuajar la leche. Then after 30 minutes, the milk has become thick like pudding, and we cut it with these two of these special rotating knives. They cut through the thick milk until we have two parts. 90% it's liquid, it's called whey. 10% it's solid, it's called the curds. And from the curds we make cheese. Yes. But the whey is also very healthy, has a lot of vitamins and proteins, and it's why we feed it back to our animals. You can of course also drink it yourself, actually, they say, because it has a lot of vitamins and proteins, and it's very good for your skin. We have a saying here in the Netherlands that if you drink 1 glass of the whey a day, it will keep your wrinkles away. So of course I started to drink the whey myself. It is disgusting. But I am 46 years old, so you can see what it does for me. That's why all the Dutch people look so good. We all drink the whey. So, después de 30 minutos, la leche está cocada y cortamos la leche con cuchillas especiales para 30 minutos. Y después de 30 minutos, la leche se separa en dos partes, una parte líquida llamada suero, una parte sólida, la cuajada. La cuajada es el queso, pero el suero es muy sano, tiene muchas vitaminas y proteínas. Y yo bebo un vaso de suero cada mañana y tengo 46 años. Muy bien. So, we only press the curds, those curds, we press them into these molds together with a stamp. It tells us where the cheese is made, how much fat it contains, and it also gives them a registration number. So these molds with the curds, they will go underneath the pressing machine for about 2 hours until we have a nice and solid cheese. So prensamos la cuajada en este molde con una etiqueta que dice el tipo de queso en esta prensa para 2 horas. So once we have this nice and firm cheese, we'll take them out of the molds again and we place them all over here in a salt bath. It contains 80% water, 20% salt, and the cheeses will stay in there for 24 hours. It gives them a better flavor. It's also to protect them against things like mildew or drying out, for example. So después, los quesos son un baño de sal, con 20% de sal y 80% de agua, para 24 horas para el sabor y una corteza natural. So once we have laid the cheeses in the salt bath for about a day, we take them upstairs and we lay them on the wooden shelves you saw once you walked through the museum. This is where they will stay for 4 weeks, and after 4 weeks you can finally eat cheese. You have a young, fresh Gouda cheese. You can of course also let it later for a longer amount of time, like 6 months, they have a second mature cheese, or like this one. It is the Rijpenaar XO, it's 3 years old. And when the Dutch cheese becomes old, it gets a little more flavor, it gets salty, it's very good for wine, for example. Of course, you can try it later on upstairs. Next to the old cheeses, we also have these ones. These will look a bit like a sausage, but they're actually smoked cheeses. We had these above a fire, it's the same way as smoked fish or ham, for example. They also have a very unique flavor. Again, try it. It's very, very good. Otro que es muy especial es el queso ahumado, con leche de vaca y con hierbas también. Es muy rico, probar es duro. And as a final kind of cheese, we have these ones. These are special flavored cheeses like tomato and olives, herbs and garlic, pesto, truffle, chili, etc. They're made the exact same way, but they add the herbs to the container of milk at the beginning. They have a flavor change. These ones are actually also vegetarian cheeses. They're not made with animal-based rennet. They're made with plant-based rennet, microbiological rennet, which makes them vegetarian. So if you're vegetarian, these ones are okay as well. Then one last thing, all cheeses actually are specially waxed and sealed, which means you can travel with them anywhere in the world, and you can leave them outside of the fridge for up to 3 weeks. So if you want to take some home, that's okay. And that is basically all I can teach you about Dutch cheese making. Now comes the best part of the demonstration. I will stop talking. You're going to start trying some cheese. Do I have some cheese lovers? Yes, perfect. So you can all continue through the right upstairs. Thank you very much for your attention.
So the presenter did very well for his presentation. Let's see how many of us can buy their products. So anyway, we're going now to the inside their tasting room. So here you can taste. They have a little bowl for you to taste, for us to taste their products. So and yeah, I will suggest you, if you're in this area, even if you are just come up here by yourself, you need to try their own products because it's free anyway. Yeah, and yeah, it's or else it's part of your package still. So you try to try their offer, and then you can buy. If you want to buy, you can buy. Very cheap, by the way. It's not that expensive. So we just got cheese in there that I really like. So yeah, it's very, very, very nice place. So after the presentation, you can just do, if you don't want to, if you don't want to try anything in here, you can just go outside straight away and just, you know, take pictures, do whatever you want to do. Our tour guide told us already the meeting area where we're gonna meet before we go home. And then also he already told us the fabulous restaurant around this area. So, and he also encouraged us to try the traditional food, so we tried, but I just forgot the name of the fish, but it's a white fish anyway. It's coated with butter. Yeah, and then we have some salad. Yeah, it's a very nice, this factory is really, really nice place. It's, the ambience is fabulous and it looks very clean. So yeah, that's their presenter room to demonstrate how they make their own product. So yeah, since I finished everything, I just went outside and show you around what exactly the place look like. Yeah, so, and then you can take pictures or video wherever, whatever you want to do in this area. So yeah, so this is the name of this factory. There, if you are around this area, this factory, cheese factory, that's a very famous actor anyway. So yeah, as you can see, their place is amazing, very clean, and all those people that live in there, really the local, they are very, very accommodating. They're very friendly. Even we went to the restaurant, the workers, they are such an amazing people. They just very nice. So yeah, so our tour guide told us to wait to everybody, so in our meeting place, after we have some lunch. So, and then it's a very nice place, so we just decided to walk around and to show you. I decided to show you around the area. So this is our meeting area here. It's close by. So yeah, this is our meeting area here. So everybody's just sitting down there and wait for everyone after their lunch. As you can see, and there beside the seaside or there seashore, you can see the restaurant there as well. So yeah, it's amazing place to visit. So if you book yourself for a tour guide, you won't really disappointed because they're doing such a great job. So, and they will bring you as well. They'll also bring you back to your destination, the place that they pick you up. So will drop you there as well. So yeah, they're very awesome. They're very nice people. They're very helpful, and yeah, they guide you every places that you want to see. So yeah, I suggest as well that when after the tour day, you can just only when you get off, you can give them little tips as well, because that's of their livelihood and that's job. So it's a part of their job to give them little things, just to give back the amazing job that they give you as well, the service that they give you as well. So yeah, so they deserve the little tips that you can give it to them as well. Yeah, the driver and the tour guide.